SU10G-V5 Remote Control Instruction Manual. The remote uses 2 AA batteries. Screen button introduction. Display area. Navigation area. Settings area. Send-receive area. Wake up. Short press any navigation key to wake up SU10G-V5. The screen will light up after waking. Communication setting. Long press the settings and back keys simultaneously. The remote will beep once and enter the settings page. The remote has 2 communication modes, infrared and wireless. In wireless mode, you can adjust the communication distance freely between 0.5 meters to 30 meters. Parameter adjustment. After waking the remote, short press the settings key to make the cursor blink. Short press the up and down keys to adjust the selected parameter. Short press settings again to move to the next parameter. Short press back to confirm the parameter and complete the setting. Reading the status. Press the status key briefly. The remote will beep once to confirm. Use the up-down keys to scroll through parameters. Press the return key to exit. Reading parameters. Press the parameter key briefly. The remote will beep once to confirm. Use the up-down keys to scroll through parameters. Press the return key to exit. Controller password setting and AMP sending. The remote can set a password for wireless controllers to prevent unauthorized parameter changes. The default initial password is 0000. You can set any password between 0000 to 9999. Short press the send key to send the password to the controller. Parameter locking and AMP unlocking. Locking, long press the settings and function keys simultaneously. The remote will beep twice and a lock icon will appear in the top right corner of the screen. The parameters are now locked and can only be sent, not changed. Unlocking, long press the settings and function keys again. The remote will beep twice and a key icon will appear in the top right corner, indicating the parameters are unlocked. Test mode. Short press the test key to send a test command to the controller. The controller will immediately enter discharge mode to set the power output and then return to normal operation. This function is useful for verifying discharge performance during controller installation. Controller sleep mode setting and AMP exit. Entering sleep mode, press the sleep key. The remote will beep once, and the controller will enter sleep mode, reducing power consumption. Exiting sleep mode, press the test key to reactivate the controller. Emergency light. Turning on, long press the function and up keys. The emergency light will turn on. SOS mode, long press the function and up keys again to switch to SOS mode. Auto off, the light will turn off automatically after 30 seconds to save power. Turning off, long press the function and up keys again to turn off the light manually. SG Unit 2, SU10G-V5 conversion. The remote control is compatible with SG Unit series remotes. The status bar displays the letter N, indicating that the remote control is currently in SU10G-V5 mode. Simultaneously long press the back button and the function button. The remote control emits a long beep. The letter N disappears from the status bar, indicating that the remote control is now in SG unit mode. Pressing the same combination of keys again will switch the remote control back to SU10G-V5 mode.